Hi y'all, hope you're having a good Friday or whatever day it is where y'all, and welcome back to my videos. I wanted to show you how I was making those little owl out of the wood slices. My husband cut these. He just got some a tree limb, and he had sliced me. I wanted them kind of thin. These are probably about let's see, about 3/8 of an inch wide, and of course, but this is probably about a 1/2 inch wide. It's the one that I'm going to use for the like the body. Okay, and then some ones that are even thinner. These are probably 1/4 of an inch thick, but they were cut in half, so I have 2 of those. Well, actually I have 3 of them. I'm going to use one of them on a stand. And I just have, you could use anything that yellow, like a piece of paper. I just have some leftover leaves that are yellow, so I was using some of those as kind of a yellowy orange that I'm probably going to use for the beak. And googly eyes. The larger you use, the more animated your owl's going to look. So I've been using these, and I don't know what size those are. They're probably about an inch in diameter. And also, here's some smaller ones, but I won't be using those. But you could even use larger than this, and it would look more animated. But what I did, and then of course, I've got my scissors, and I've got my glue gun. Now I tried a couple different things. I tried the glue sticks, and what I'm using is the Gorilla, the Gorilla glue sticks. I'm really liking those. They're really holding up really well, and it's because it sets fast. It's been quite a bit easier to use and work with on these projects. But when I took them out to that sale out at the farm, well, the kids loved them, and I had a lot of people compliment on them. So I'm what's going to show you how I made those. The first thing I did is you're going to want to find which way you want your pieces to, to stand. So when you do put it together, it'll be, sitting level, and you won't have to fight it wanting to roll. And so this one looks like I found kind of a more flatter spot right here. So I'm probably going to use that. And what I did is I took a little bit of the bark off of the top just to make it a little, more flat to where I can place my head. So it'll probably be like that. Okay, so then what I did is I'm going to glue these 2 pieces together. And you just use a fair amount of your glue. Let me get another stick. Okay. Alright, and then you just put those together and hold those for just a second. Until it kind of sets up. Okay, if you hear that ticking in the background, that's I have a new clock up here, and each second, the second hand is making a ticking. And then my husband's in his working area. So then the next thing I did is I'm going to use one of these half rounds for it to sit on. So that's what I'm going to do next. Let's go ahead and put some glue on that. This is a really fast, easy project. like I said, the kids really, really enjoyed these. They really liked these. So, and you could add more decorations to these little owls too. Okay, so that's going to be like my little stand for him to sit on. Okay. Alright. Then the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my other two halves and I'm going to put those kind of back behind the owl and kind of glue it on, and so it looks like wings. So that's what I'm going to do next. Then I'll put my other wing on. I'll be excited to tell you how well I did and what sold. I haven't got that information back yet about what sold and what didn't at that sale, so I'm excited to let you know. Okay. Well, I may have to put another on the back to help support it, but so far this is what I have. Okay, and then I'm going to lay him down while I do this part just so you can see what I'm doing here. But what I'm going to do is I just cut out the end part of the leaf. You just needed a little piece. But like I said, you could use paper or you could paint it on, color it on, just however you want to do it. And I just had these, so I decided I'd use those, and I just kind of put those in the middle of the face. Okay. Now for the eyes, I used for the eyes, I went ahead and used my E6000 just because when I did try to put the glue with the hot glue gun on, for some reason, I don't know if it melts the back, but it makes the black stick to it and they don't move around. So actually I used the E6000 for the eyes just because I wanted the eyes to be able to wiggle around, and I just applied a little bit to each place. Okay. And then put my googly eyes on. If you wanted them to, the black to be maybe looking in a certain direction, you could go ahead and use your glue gun. That would be perfect. You know, the glue gun would definitely do that for you. But anyways, this is what I made, and everybody loved them, so I hope you enjoyed that. They've turned out so cute, and all the kids, like I said, all the kids, a lot of grown-ups thought they were just really cute. I had them for like $5. Okay, y'all. I thought I'd add a couple more things to my little owl here. What I did here is I went out to my yard and found a little part of a branch, and then I took some glue, and I had like a little black like bread bag tie and curved it around the branches so it looks like there's some like claws hanging on, or little feet hanging on to the branch. And I had a couple other ideas. If you wanted to make this more like a little cute, what you could do is take, like I just found a piece of ribbon and you can make it look like he's wearing a scarf. So like that. That would be so cute. Okay. Or, I didn't want to glue that down so I could show you different things. You can make it to where like they have a little bow. Or make it look like a little girl and have a little bow up here. Okay. So she's got one sitting on the top of her head. So, whoops. Those were just a couple of ideas I had. So, but there's a lot of different things you could do to dress this up. But I just wanted to share that with you. And again, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of great ideas that I've got planned. I'm going to be sharing a home tour of my fall decorations here shortly. And so keep an eye out for that. And I have some other ideas. We'll be doing some Christmas decorating soon, so that's a big one for me. So I'm so excited about doing that. So just I hope you subscribe, like I said, so you can hit that little bell to get notified when I put up a new video. And comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And again, I appreciate you watching my videos. It means a lot to me, and I hope that you continue. Thank you. See you in my next video.